Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 9th, 2021. I wanted to come in today and I wanted to talk about our last price prediction in SoFi. You guys can tell that, man, that price really had went against us in our last price prediction, right? I want to see, can we still play this strength into the market in SoFi? Is this a very good long-term bet in seeing the market value of SoFi stock to go up? We really need to make that determination because over the last week or so, the price has definitely declined in value since our last price prediction, which occurred on August the 13th. So now, what now? What would you expect the price to do in SoFi? Because actually, I'm still seeing the market as a valuable stock in terms of seeing the price appreciation to occur. Yeah, we exceeded the market move, did exceed our ultimate support price in SoFi, but take a look at the market move the last 2 days. We are now right back to where our ultimate support area was in our prediction. So I wanted to come in, talk about the market price in SoFi, and try to make the determination as to should we load up on shares in SoFi around $15.47, right? So buckle in. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, we make this simple and easy, right? We're not here to confuse you. We're not here to use technical indicators. We're not here to speak to you in technical analysis jargon because those things are garbage, right? You don't need to use technical indicators. I'll be one of the first ones to tell you that because we walked in those shoes. We tried to find the holy grail of price charts and understanding where price movement is going to be, and we've made a determination that the less you have on your chart, the better you are in understanding as to where the market is going to go. So if you guys want to join us, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. So now let me break down our last price prediction in SoFi because we are being fully transparent. I want to show you the ones the price predictions that we don't get correct, because we won't get everyone correct, but best believe we get the majority of them right. So now take a look at this. The moment we did our price prediction in SoFi right there on August the 13th, the market dropped substantially. I'm like, wow. Take a look at that. The market price in SoFi caught us off guard, meaning that the trap won this one. Okay, he pulled one from under us in terms of the price move, because when we did our video on August the 13th, there was strength on this chart. But then for us to see the market on this very high volume bar on August the 13th was like, man, I can't believe this. Yeah, he got us on this prediction. I'm gonna be real. He caught us off guard. We didn't see this coming. It was kind of like a bow against the face that he caught us right there. So it happens. We don't get them all right every time. But take a look at the volume, right? If you've been following us for a while, I've been telling all of our subscribers to make sure you pay attention to the volume first, because it tells us who's participated and what actually happened. Because we've already identified that this area right here around $14.75 is really important in SoFi, right? We've eyed that area for support, and the market for a time period traded below $14.75. It did, but look at the price now. We are now above that number. So that area is still applicable for support, $14.75. It's just that simple. So now what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to take this price prediction away and count it as a loss. We didn't get this price prediction correct. And if you were to get out on the close of yesterday, that would be 11.25% loss right there. And it happens, right? But let's make sure that we don't get caught off guard again in SoFi against the trap, right? So look, if I were to decrease, lower this ascending line into the market in SoFi, you kind of get an idea as to where the market truly came in and bounced off support, right? Pretty much where the high came in on November the 30th, 2020, okay? But now let me bring it back up to this particular point because I'm looking at this area here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna bring it down. Okay. Bring it down just a tad. You know what? I don't want to do that. I'm gonna keep it the way it was. I like that better. All right, so check this out. Let's look at the market in SoFi on a 3-day real quick, okay? Because the last 3-day price bar into the market in SoFi was pretty decent, right? We were able to see the market gives a very wide spread, and even on that same 3-day price bar, we saw the market price come back up above our support line. That is decent. That is healthy. That's no indication of weakness right there being seen into the market in SoFi. So even now, going forward, that needs to maintain and be the case. Price cannot break below $14.75. We cannot see that happen again, right? We cannot. But should one come in and load up around this particular price? So far, the answer is yes. The market looks pretty decent to see this actually occur in this space. Now, we're still pretty much trading within a trading range. We're not necessarily seeing the market in an ascending trend or a bullish market. Bullish simply means that you're looking for the price to do this, to go up, right? We're not in that in SoFi. The only thing that we're getting right now in this particular market price is consolidation, okay? Which kind of lets us know that the overall market, you know, the big hedge funds, the big financial institutions, they're in the market right now, right? Filling their accounts, filling their bags with this SoFi around this price, right? Because they're looking long term. They're looking around 6 months, 12 months, 24 months in price. They're looking for the price appreciation in SoFi during the next couple of months to increase. Because if they wasn't, they wouldn't be buying the market right now. The market price in SoFi wouldn't be consolidating. It would be going down if the market didn't have any interest. But right now we're just consolidating. So that is the process that the overall market is going through in SoFi. So let me show you all the weekly time frame, okay? So this is the weekly time frame. I want you all to look at the last 4 weeks, which is inclusive of this current weekly price bar, which is not done yet. But you can see with this high volume that the market in SoFi really hasn't been doing too much in terms of moving in price. We've been pretty much stagnated. I mean, holding $14 as support and hitting restriction around $15. What is this? $16. Yeah, so not a lot has been going on in terms of price movement, but a lot has been going on in the volume. So why in the world would this volume be so high, but the market not move? Exactly. They're buying up the price, or they're buying up SoFi shares at this particular price. So the market looks decent in that round, okay? 2-day time frame, there's still some weakness here. So I don't want you all to think that just because I'm playing the strength into the market in SoFi, that we're not done with the price weakness. Yeah, we will see the market come back down, test this $14.70, 75 cent area again. Might even come all the way down to 14. So I don't want you to think that the market is clear for a bullish move or a breakout to the upside, because we're not in that realm yet. Okay. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play the strength into the market in SoFi again. Okay. I'm not expecting the market to, surprise us in terms of where the market is going to go. The market is pretty much stable. We've seen the market hold support around this area already. So we're going to continue to play the market movement higher in SoFi. Okay. Try to see if we could get that 11% back from the trap. So I'm still going to hold $14 as support. Okay. Even though we have our horizontal line right there around $14.75. And in terms of where we're expecting the market to go, the first area that we can see that is going to be around 17. Okay. Yes, there's a shallow area of restriction right here. Okay. $16. So it wouldn't hurt to skim off a small piece of bread at that particular price of 16, which is 3.69%. And I'm going to take us all the way back to where we were expecting the market to go in SoFi around $17.62, give or take. All right. So this is the play. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in SoFi now. I'm still playing the strength. Now, even though I'm playing the strength, generally I'm looking for this though. I'm just looking for the market to consolidate and trade sideways. But in that moment, in this mode, the price can still go up. Okay, so that's why we're playing the strength into the market in SoFi right now. All right, so now let me know, what do you all see on the chart? What do you think the current process is of the market? Because I want you all to see this. Okay, we cannot be oblivious to all of this volume down here. Look at this. This volume is heavy. What in the world is going on? We're seeing the market participants, i.e. the big institutions, they are the ones creating this much volume. There's too many markets that retail traders are invested in that they're not paying attention to this. So obviously, these big institutions are definitely buying a position in SoFi. They're loading up. What are you doing? That's the question. So now I want to know, what do you all think about the market price in SoFi? Where do you think the market price is going to go in your price prediction? Drop me a comment in the comment section, let me know. And let's not make this confusing. Welcome to the team. If today was your first time seeing our video, you guys can actually see this is not confusing. This is not even hard. You can do this for yourself. Learn more by following us. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.